Hi guys! Today I bought a journal. It's a planner but I'll use it as a journal. As you can see, design is so cute. Let's open it. Wala pa yung ayaw ko sirain yung stamp niya. Ang gusto ko ilagay yung stamp. Wala, nasira ko na. Oh my god, mommy will remove it.
Anak mo sila din.
I will start my 2026 productive kasi ang main word ko for 2026 is productive. Wow! So makapal. It's small para ma-fit ko sa mga bags ko. I'm so excited to write. Sana makompleto ko siya. Oh, there's also stickers! Stickers! There's also a bookmark. Japan. Ang cute ko. Here are the pages, guys. Kala mo talaga. Ano, may iba't iba pa siyang like for September, Thailand, and fun facts. May mga quotes pa siya sa taas per page. Tapos mayroon pang expense tracker, savings tracker. I also bought a ball pen. I don't know if this is the best ball pen. Dong HL, my HL Cube. If you have better suggestions, let me know. That's all. Thank you guys for watching.